This video is presented by VoiceOver Article. If you know nothing about sports and you still feel the urge to wager, baseball is the easiest sports to wager on. As opposed to football and basketball, where you are mixed up with the point spreads and other confusing calculations, in baseball betting you simply put your money on the outcome of the game. In addition, the baseball season lasts longer, which means more matches and bigger chances to go home with the winning money. Here is a step-to-step guide to baseball betting. The main difference between baseball betting and other team sports betting such as football and basketball is that while the latter ones use point spreads, the former uses the money line. What is a point spread? Point spread is the most common betting type offered in football and basketball betting. The sportsbook spreads the odd of a certain match by subtracting points from the favorite team, which is the team most likely to win, and adding points to the underdog, which is the team that will raise a lot of eyebrows if wins. What is a money line? In baseball betting, the sportsbook sets the odds strictly on the outcome of the match. In order to even the action, bettors would have to risk more money on the favorite and risk less on the underdog. This is called the money line. For example, if the money line is minus 170 on the favorite and plus 150 on the underdog, then you would have to bet $170 on the favorite in order to earn $100. On the other hand, if you bet $100 on the underdog, you would win $150 if they would eventually win the match. The difference between the minus 170 on the favorite and the plus 150 on the underdog is known as the 20-cent line. If the money line was minus on the favorite and plus 150 on the underdog, it is called the 10-cent line or dime line. The 15-cent line is also common in baseball betting. Sportsbooks also offer total bets and run lines in baseball betting. 1. Total bets. These wagers are based on the sum of the runs scored by both of the teams. For example, if the sportsbook sets the over-under total of a match as 7, the over wins if the sum of the runs scored by both teams exceeds 7, and the under wins if it sums up to less than 7. 2. The run line. This wager is the baseball variation of point spread. When you are betting on the run line, you are betting on whether one of the teams wins by more than one run, which is marked as minus 1.5, or stays within one run, marked as plus 1.5. Conclusion. Although the money line makes baseball betting simpler than football and basketball betting, it causes the payoffs calculation to be more complicated. 1. In order to calculate the payoff when wagering on the favorite, you should add 1 to the favorite price and divide it with the favorite price. 2. In order to calculate the payoff when wagering on the underdog, you should add 1 to the underdog price. This video is presented by VoiceOver Article.